Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching us. Welcome again to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to promote your business on Facebook. This is a beginner's tutorial. To promote your business on Facebook, you will need to go to the page for which you have the business. In case you don't have a business page, then it's so easy to create that. You'll simply click on pages, and then down here on the left hand side, you'll click on create new page. And you'll now be able to give your page a name here, the category, the bio, and all the data. And then you'll now be able to create that page. So our focus here is on how now to promote that page. So I already have a page here. I have a page called Jumoch Health, and this is the page that I want to promote. So if you want to promote your page, you have no reason to worry whatsoever. Facebook has introduced Meta Business Suite, which basically helps you to get all that you would need when it comes to management of your business. And so with Meta Business Suite, you can get your planner, you can access publishing tools, you can get insights, you can get ad center, and then you can also view your page status with Meta Business Suite. If you want to promote your business on Facebook, now we want to promote this page, for instance, you'll come down here and click on ads here, advertisement, and then once you click on that, you'll be able to get these automated ads, choose ad type, and boost existing content. And those are the three ways in which you can promote your business. So to get started, we are going to create a new ad, and we don't want to do it automated. If you want to have it automated, you click on get started with automated ads, and you simply get personalized ads that adjust over time to help you get better results. So this happens automatically, but we want to do it from scratch so that we can make an ad using text and photos that we have that best represent our brand. So we are going to click on create new ad, and that will bring us to this ad center. So you select the goal here. What results would you like from this ad? And that is the beauty of creating it manually, because you are able to set exactly what you want. So you click on change so that you can see the options. We have, if you want to get more messages, if you want to get more pages likes, if you want to get more calls, or if you want to promote your business locally, or if you want to get more visitors, you can select any of these. So in this case, we want to promote our business locally, so we connect with people who are located near our business. So I click on that and click on save, but remember you can click on any other. The next thing here is the ad creative. How do you want your ad to look? In this case now, you give a name here, and on the right hand side, you notice we have the ad preview. Like up here, it's written for tutorials, but that is not what we want. We just want to add a description here. Maybe we are selling supplements, so we want to write here, take control of your health with 100% natural supplements. So because our page, we want to be selling supplements, and that is the page we want to promote. So then down here, you select the media. So in this case, you can select up to 5 multiple images, and currently the homepage image is one that appears here, but we want to use a different image. So you notice on the right hand side how our image looks like. We want to use a different image from the default image of our page that we created in a different tutorial. So I'm going to click on select media, and then I'll click on upload. Then I'll go to my PC, and then there is this image that I created using Canva. And in this YouTube channel, we have so many tutorials on how you can create such nicely looking images with Canva. So this is the image I want to use for my advert or for my promotion. So I'll come to my PC, click on that image and click on open. Then I click on it again, and then come down here and click on select, so that now you notice our image has been added here, and then it will be uploaded, and then we'll get a preview on this side. So you notice this is now how our image looks. Take control of your health. This is the preview on this side. Next, you come down here, and then you can select the headline, Then maybe our headline, we are going to call it 100% natural supplements. So you have to make sure you use the right keywords, supplements there. Then we can change our button here. So you notice on the left hand side, you can see the previews, including the buttons on that side. So this button, the one down here written send image here, send message here, we want it to change. So instead of send image, we want people to call us. So you click on that, and then you notice we have options here from get directions, call now, learn more, save, etc. So you want them to call, so we are going to change that to call now. And then now that that button will be for call now, we will need to enter a phone number here. So we can just enter our phone number there depending on our country. Remember, we can also change this to any other thing. We want people to send message on WhatsApp. We can click on that, then we add our WhatsApp number here, and then you click on confirm. So you can also assume this to be for save, whichever the changes you want to make there. So down here, you can now go to your advantage and creative, where you leverage Facebook data to automatically deliver different ad creatives. You can also add a special category for your ad. Is it housing? Is it electronics? Is it politics? Whatever it is. Now for this, the audience, this is where you want to make the changes. Who is your target audience? So you click on this map. You can notice that you can select your audience in terms of men, women, or all. So if you want men, you click on men. If you want all, you click on all. On the right hand side, you notice you can get the estimated daily results. So if I select men for those supplements, I'm able to get 834 to 2.4K. If I click on women, I'll get around 737. But our product is universal. It's for all genders. So I'll click on all. And then you notice here we can now change the age. From which age? We want it to be from age 30. You just scroll that up to 30, up to page 65 or maybe 59. You can keep on adjusting this to get the exact age limit where you want to sell your product. You can also adjust this map so that now you can only place it on the place where you want to sell your products. You can set your schedule when you want it to start. I want it to start tomorrow, and I want it to start at midnight. You select that, and then you can choose when this ad will end. I want it to end within 7 days, or I want it to end within 5 days. So automatically you notice our end date here is selected. And then we can set the daily budget here. I want to be spending around 500 shillings per day. So you notice if you increase the budget here, like this 500, and we are getting 3.8. If we make it 5,000, you notice again, the estimated daily results will change. So the more you spend here, the more you are able to get the higher results here. Once you're through with that and you have set everything, you will add your payment method down here. And then once you have added the payment method, you click on here, promote. This button will be active. You click on promote. That is after you have added your payment method. The second option to promote this, and then you click on the same page the same way we did here on advertise, and then you can now boost a post. Now with that, you are going to create a post, and then you are going to click on boost. So for instance, here we had this post, hi there, check my new YouTube. You are going to click on boost. That is for the post that you have already created. So basically you go to your Facebook page, create a post, come to advertise, and then click on boost. If now I click on boost, or if you click on boost, you will then adjust the settings here, like the audience details, just like we did. And then once you have adjusted that, you click on boost post now. And then if you had added a payment method, there's no need to add it again, but now you can add your payment method here and then click on next, and your post will be boosted. So simply that is how you promote your business on Facebook. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.